We're here at the Millbrook Proving Ground today. My name is Michael Jones, I'm a parts product manager for Packard Parts, and today we've got a lot of our suppliers on show for TRP. Here's our TRP Supplier Village. Let's go and take a look. Okay, we're here with Bessie and I'm with Vaughan, the sales director for the company. Vaughan, can you just give us a quick overview of the products that you've got on offer today?
Yes, certainly. Bessie, it's a best engineered spannerless system in Europe. That's where we get the name from. The whole concept is airlines, breakages, and the fact that we offer an alternative to a call out, late deliveries, missed deliveries, etc. The whole idea is the vehicle is fitted with our Bessie system. If the airline should fracture or break, instead of a call out and many hours off the road, the driver himself has a spare system in the cab. It's got a utilised with a key instead of a 22mm spanner. A 22mm spanner invariably means a call out and time off the road, VOR and everything else. That's our latest product, aluminium XDA frame.
Excellent, that's great. Okay, let's go and have a word with Texaco. This way, come on. Hi, we're here with Texaco. I'm with Emma in the marketing department and also Suzanne, who's our account manager. So just give us a brief overview of what product ranges you offer to us, please.
So Texaco offer a great range of lubricants, from engine oils to differential oils, coolants, greases that can be used in the DAF vehicles, but today we've put these brochures together specifically for the event, not only offering oils for the DAF vehicles but also for the LCVs and any additional vehicles that may be serviced through the DAF dealers.
Great, so that's good offerings that we can put through our TRP range, isn't it?
Yeah. Right. So all of these products are available through TRP. We've been a long-standing partner for DAF, but what we want to do is help them improve the share of wallet. It's the engine oils that are predominantly sold through the dealers. Today we want to give them these brochures to take away so they can see that they've got engine oils, the coolants, the greases, so the full range that they can order and use from Texaco.
Brilliant. I'm here with Andrew from Texaco. He's on the technical side of the business. Can you just give us a bit of a delve into the technical specs of some of the products you offer for us?
Yeah, sure. Obviously, over the years, the engine oil functions have changed as the technology of the vehicles has improved. Everybody perhaps still remembers, using the 2050s and 15W40s, but over time with the emission regulations and fuel economy, they've moved more down to the 10W40s, been very successful. The TRP group, the RDS 10W40, and now we're moving over to the 10W30s as well. Again, giving long drain, good performance, as well as fuel economy to the customer.
So have the developments led to better fuel economy in the vehicles?
That's correct, yes. Yeah. And working with DAF, we've been working very closely for many, many years over in Eindhoven. Colleagues from DAF technical side and also from Chevron technical side as well.
Excellent, so it looks like a good coverage and a strong product portfolio, doesn't it? Yeah, excellent. Thank you. Okay, we're here now with Aspot and I'm with Mel, who's the area sales manager. How are you doing, Mel? You all right?
Very good.
Good. So can you just give us a brief overview of the range you've got on offer today?
Right, so we are Aspot. We do complete lighting solutions for commercial vehicles and trailers. And I've got a few of my products here today on display. This is our EcoLED 2. It's one of the newer lamps that we've got in our range. It has all the functions that you require to get your vehicle on the road, get your trailers.
So that's not specific to any vehicle, is it? That can be used across the full range, is it? Yeah.
If you've done any driving on UK motorways, you would have come across this light many times.
Yeah.
This is our newest rear cluster. This is the EcoLED 3. So again, it's a full 5-function lamp with progressive indicator. Both of these lights as well contain control gear. So when you're changing from bulb lights to LED, you might find that you don't need any additional control gear to make it operate on your truck.
Oh, right.
TRP support all of our users of our product, so it's very important that we have a relationship with TRP to cover the network of our drivers.
How do you find the dealers' reception to these products? It's good, strong quality products, isn't it, from Aspot?
Exactly. To be honest, they sell themselves.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Fantastic. Okay, thanks very much.
Thanks you. Thanks a lot.
We're here now with Mike from RoadLink, and we're just going to have a quick look at the product offering we've got on here today. Mike, tell us a bit about what we've got here.
Okay, good morning. Well, Roland Car, supplier partner to DAF TRP,
Yeah.
and we support them on the remanufacturing programme on exchange brake shoes and remanufactured calipers. We also have a range of OE parts on Alco shock absorbers, which are OE on trailer applications.
Yeah.
And more recently, we've introduced the Brembo range of LCV calipers.
Okay.
And CV brake discs.
In terms of new products, obviously we've talked about the Brembo. Is there anything else that you want to discuss or talk about?
Well, yeah, on the shock absorbers, we offer the Alco shock absorber for the trailer applications.
Okay.
And they're OE on over 50% of European trailer axle manufacturers from original equipment. And again, we give a 3-year warranty on all Alco shocks.
Fantastic. Right, I'm here with Nick from TMD Friction, another one of our TRP suppliers.
Yeah.
Nick, can you give us an overview of what we've got on show here?
Great, thank you. Yeah, we've got Techstar, Mintex and Don for the sale. We're a very long-standing partner of DAF, but we've got some great new products to talk about today to show you. We've got the Techstar, commercial vehicle pad, but now it comes with a match set of the disc as well. We've got the Don products, but one of the products I'm really excited about is the van kits. The Mintex van kits are great for LCV, for light commercial vehicles.
So, being a TRP partner, what do you find the benefits are of working with TRP?
Well, the benefits of working at TRP, they know exactly what they want. They're very structured, very organised, and we have a very great level of communication as well. So we've got a very close working relationship with TRP, and we help them develop their product ranges as and when they need them for the customers.
Fantastic. Okay, I'm here with George MacArthur, who's the Sales and Marketing Director for Quest Consumables. George, just give us a quick overview of what products we've got on here.
So what we've got is the full Quest range here with the TRP branded consumables catalogue, 8,000 products, all delivered next day and a 98% pick rate. Now we've got a big focus on bringing new to range, getting new exciting products into the TRP dealers. From our extended vision range of lighting, our own branded on-hand nitrile gloves, all the way to this new EV tooling and consumables that we're really pushing in the marketplace with the transition to the new EV vehicles. Our new connector range as well, which is really pushing the business forward. Own brand RG tools, which complement our RG power tool range launched recently.
So, as a TRP supplier and a good TRP supplier, what do you think the benefits are of working with us?
I think it's the fact that you give us access to hundreds of sites, and not only your own workshops, it's your fleet contract as well, which we're really tapping into, which just provides an opportunity not only for us, but for the dealers to make a profitable sale of our products.
Yeah, and it's a real advantage for us as well, that when we walk into maybe a fleet workshop, that we can offer this product range to them as well as a one-stop shop for TRP, can't we?
If you've got to think, every single delivery that you go to, there's a product that can be purchased from this range.
Absolutely, because it's a huge product range, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, that's fantastic. Thanks, George.
Thanks,
Cheers.
Michael. Thank you very much.
Right, we're here with George from CVH OMFB. George, just give us a quick overview of what we've got on display here.
Okay, so yeah, we're an Italian manufacturer of truck hydraulic equipment. So we've got PTOs, hydraulic pumps, whether that's gear pumps, piston pumps, tipping valves, just anything to suit your tractor unit or lorry with an application, whether it's a tipper, tanker, crane, just to suit all really. So our main product at the moment is the full wet kit system, which is essentially all of the products that you see here as one.
And how do you find your relationship with TRP benefits you?
So at the moment we're in the process of getting online with the TRP system. I know that it's
a pretty new relationship, isn't it?
Europe at the moment, but we're still setting up in the UK. So I'm sure that when it's all set up and on board, it'll be exactly what we're expecting.
Fantastic. Hi, Mike.
Hi, nice to see you. Welcome to the day. What can I tell you about the product?
Can you just give us a quick overview, because I can see a lot of TRP branded product there, so if you can just go through it for us.
Yeah, sure. We've been lucky enough to be the TRP friction supplier for over 15 years now, and within the range we do TRP disc pads, which are equivalent to the OE specification. We do brake shoes, box brake shoe kits, wheel end, suitable with all accessories, suitable for all applications.
What do you find are the benefits of working with TRP?
Well, firstly, a global account that operates in all of the countries where we have representation, so we're able to give TRP, PACCAR, DAF, first-class service with local representation.
And are there any new products that are coming to range that you want to tell us about?
There aren't any new products per se, but what there are increases to the range where the disc pad range, new products, new axle rate types come out, and TRP are right there with it.
Expanding all the time, yeah.
Expanding as the market develops, so does TRP.
Okay, I'm here with Mark. Hi Mark, you okay?
Yeah, good.
And I can see here we've got 3 different brands here. We've got Echo, Truck Light and LED.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk us through those?
Yep, so it's 3 brands of the Clariance Group, the Clariance Technologies Group from America. Echo is predominantly what you see here today, the amber lighting range of products.
Okay.
Also blue light as well for emergency services. Truck Light is predominantly OE trailer, and the aftermarket is supported by TRP through the warehouse again, out to the dealerships, and that's usually through replacement parts, lamps, lenses, and that type of product. LED Auto Lamps is the aftermarket range of products, which again is available through the TRP network.
Well, can you just give us a quick overview of what we've got on display here?
Quick overview, we have the 12 Plus, which is our premium product on Echo.
Yeah.
We can write the software for that one, and it also goes into various fleets as well. You have the 11 series, which is our new product that we launched.
What do you find the benefits are working with TRP?
Well, the benefits is the warehouse, you know, so the dealerships can get the product out to market much quicker than we can.
Are there any new products coming to range that you want to tell us about? Or?
There is at the moment, but I've had to sign a little piece of paper to say I can't tell you.
Right, okay. It's that new we can't speak about it. Right, no, thanks for your time.
Okay.
Cheers, Mark. I'm here with Kirsty at Dynex. Kirsty, can you give us a quick overview of what products we've got on range here?
So Dynex is manufacturer. We currently offer everything from turbo to tailpipe, through to SCRs, DOCs, tailpipes, clamps, gaskets, you name it, DPFs.
We've just currently expanding our range with you guys, aren't we? We think we've added another 300-400 parts to file.
Correct.
Yeah. So what do you find the benefits are of working with TRP?
Benefits of working with TRP. We have a great access to the network. You have a great way of putting things into stock and really selling through the products as well. It gives us access to all the people that need it. So yeah, really good communication, really good system, really good way to set up.
And obviously with yourself, and obviously we've got some new product ranges coming through, you can lend some support to that, to the dealer network if required, can't you?
Absolutely, yeah. We're massive on training, we're massive on training the people that are selling the products, and yeah, we can support where necessary on that.
Great, that's fantastic. So is there any new products that you've got on here that you maybe want to point out to us?
We have, yes. We're just expanding our mechatronics range. We have recently brought in remanufactured diesel fuel injectors that are now in stock and available, and we have also brought in some Dynex pressure sensors as well, again in stock and available. Pressure sensors are brand new in box, and the remanufactured diesel injectors are remanufactured.
No, that's great, thanks.
Lovely.
Cheers, Kirsty.
Thank you very much, thanks for having us.
And that's a wrap. We've been to see many of our suppliers through the TRP Supplier Village. Many of them you see featured in our latest issue of TRP Talk. So pick up a copy and we'll see you again next time.